We are going to start one of the best activities of SMB English, where you will remove your hesitation. You will come into the center and you will speak something, whatever you want to speak, just speak. जो बोलना है वो बोलो यार. You are free to speak anything today, right? Don't worry. What are you going to speak? लोगों को पसंद आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. तुम अपना बेस्ट दोगे, लोगों को पसंद आएगा. और नहीं भी आएगा तो we are not experts, right? We are not experts, right? हम सीख रहे हैं. And today this activity is only for juniors, only for new students, and it is obvious viewers know seniors and juniors because seniors videos are there in our YouTube channel, but juniors videos are not there. So today you are going to find a lot of new speakers, okay, in the center, and I'll start with the Amitabh Bachchan of SMB English, and he is Mr. Bittu. Please come on. You have to walk. Whatever you want to speak, just speak. Walk करना है आपको. सबके बताना. Today, whatever English के बारे में, मेरे बारे में, SMB के बारे में, motivation के बारे में, आप मोदी जी के बारे में ही बोल सकते हैं. किसी कुछ भी बोलना है, but only English में बोलना है ताकि आपको English का improvement हो जाए, डर हट जाए. Just please start. Viewers, don't worry, it may be wrong or right, but trial is very important. We are trying, effort is very important, okay? Yes, please, start.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am fine. I am talking just mistakes.
ठीक है?
Most of the people think making a mistake is failure,
Yes.
but making a mistake is not failure. It means progress in the life.
Progress in the life.
Success.
Wow. Yes.
If you believe in the self, you must do anything, any problems, any solutions. If none can do, you never none can you.
That's
you
great.
never
Continue.
do
Continue.
it.
No problem. Continue. Continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Today I am talking why English is important in our lives. English is the most important our life because it is the international language. If you go anywhere,
Yes.
any place, you don't know
अच्छे से
you don't know local language, but
पीछे.
if you know English, where you survive your life
वीडियो में जा रहा है.
some easily. I think English gives confidence in the world, in the everywhere.
क्या? अच्छा घूम कर. Continue.
Sir,
All right, clap for him. He tried very well. Don't worry. It is just 1 month, the first month, right? It is your first month.
yes, sir.
Right, don't worry. You're doing very well. Just keep doing like this because center में one girl in the center, okay? And you know who is she? And she has just completed 20 days, okay, in the class. 10 days or 20 days? I'm not sure. वही आके बोल देगी भाई आप ही बता दो अंजलि कितना दिन पूरा हुआ आपको. Please come into the center. Miss Anjali, आइए. Okay? And how many days you have completed in SMB English?
I think 20 days.
20 days?
Yes.
Viewers, 20 days. और वो सेंटर में ट्राई कर रही है. If she speaks well, clap into the comment box. हाँ कर सकते हो, emoji डाल देना, right? Understand? अगर नहीं भी अच्छा बोले, just appreciate, okay? She is trying to eradicate her fear. Please hold the mic. Yes. और आपको walk करना है.
Hello everyone. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? I'm fine, and you? I'm absolutely fine. Today I am here to present a beautiful speech on education.
On education, yeah.
Education is a... Sorry.
Yeah, no, sorry, nothing. Okay, just start. No problem. Okay.
Education is a powerful weapon which you can change this world.
Right.
Education is most important thing for human beings. It is a continuous and lifelong process. It is great change in our life.
Yes, it gives great change in our life. Oh, wow.
It is the foundation of human development.
Okay, okay.
It is said that education is the third eye of human.
Yeah.
Education is like a candle
Candle, right? Yes.
which makes the dark place bright.
Wow, good, good. Commendable performance, yes.
An educated person can easily find out what is wrong and what is right.
Right, right.
He does not blindly accept or reject anything.
That's good point, yeah.
Education is the backbone of society. It is an integral part of human society.
Right.
When you educate one person, you can change a life.
You can change the life, yeah. Educating is changing the life.
Yeah. When you educate many person, you can change the world.
You can change the world, yes.
Education is very important in every society. It is a source of growth and developments. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. भागो मत, don't run. डर लग रहा था सेंटर में?
No, sir.
नो सर, डर नहीं लग रहा था. यस, आप किस लिए डर रहे हो व्यूअर्स? कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखो वेल डन. ऑल राइट, commendable job. All right, you have done a great job because just in 15 days speaking in front of 60-70 people, okay, and that too in this center, okay.
I
is
hope
not
next
easy.
week in best.
Okay,
of
next
my-
week will be the best,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Yes, clap for her. Thank you very much for coming in the center, okay? That's all. Okay, next student I want to call from the center, okay? And it will be he, all right, obviously. So I'm calling brand new person, okay? You would not have seen in any video, इतू सा भी clip नहीं देखा होगा आपने. And his name is Mr. Rajkumar. What is that? Who is Rajkumar? Do you know who is Rajkumar? You don't know?
How are you? I am absolutely fine. I am here to speak something about communication skill. Just first, I would like to say a
that?
quote. I would like to say a quote. The pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow.
Yeah. Keep supporting. Group है.
Always-
पकड़ ले उसको, ठीक है? Yeah. आना चाहिए.
Always look on the bright side of your future. Now I am here to say about communication skill. What is communication skill? Communication skills, what you say about your thoughts, express your feeling to others, in front of others. Just like communication skill, share about your feelings, your face values,
Yes.
and
Yes.
your eyes contact. This
Okay.
is also a communication skill.
Right.
Just like an example, if you have a go in a interview, just like in a job for interview in a company, you have a lot of degree, but you
Yes,
have not
yes.
a communication skill.
Yes.
Just you are a fire, but you have
You will be fired.
you will
Yes.
be fire.
Yeah.
If you do not have communication skill, you will be fire. If you have a communication skill, just you have to try to convince your words to their employee or company member, they will be able to your own communication skill.
Yeah.
You have to try your convince your words to employ that achieve from our communication skills.
Right, है ना?
There are many way to change our communication skill. Just like we have to talk anybody anywhere, just like fearless or confidence to someone contact in front of just we have to confident and eye contact to others, and it depends upon communication skills. How to convince our words to other people, they have to convince our words.
Stop.
How can they survive in this society or just
They are
in
my
environment?
speaker today.
It depends upon your communication
It
skills.
depends on your communication skills. Your all growth in any company, again, depends on your communication skills.
There are many ways to achieve your communication skill. Just not like you are speaking. Just like
Speaking,
your
yeah.
eye contact. You have there are just like picture communication. There are not communication. If you are going on a road and NH, there are many symbols on a board. Just like you, this shows your communication. Just like she shows blow horn, stop, or
Right.
just like
Right.
don't pass it. There beam, drop your beam light. Just say also a communication.
It's also communication, right? Yeah. Keep it short because I cannot, stretch the
Okay,
video.
thank you for listening me carefully. Have a nice day.
तो कम्युनिकेशन की वैल्यू समझा गए आप छोटी सी बातों में लोगों को, राइट?
Yeah.
तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, कैसा लग रहा है इन द सेंसर रखे?
Yeah, I feel good.
केहन लगे छ? ठीक लगे छ? यही हमारा लैंग्वेज भाई, बहुत बढ़िया लैंग्वेज है, अंडरस्टैंड है? बट इसके साथ अगर इंग्लिश में केहन लगे छ, राइट? Something like that. Huh?
I feel confident.
You feel confident?
Yeah.
Okay, this will go on YouTube channel.
Okay,
That's
no
fine.
problem. Yeah,
Yes,
that's
that's
fine.
great. Viewers, it's first time he is in front of the camera. Okay, there may be some mistakes. Pardon me, यार. गलतियां होती है. मैं तो आपको भी कहता हूँ गलती करो. गलत कमेंट मत लिखना, बस कमेंट सही लिखना. Thank you very much. Now just take your seats. Okay, मतलब खड़े हो जाइए. जब बैठ के बता जाए. So I'm calling the lightest person of the world, okay, but they are the strongest person, right? या बारिश की बूंद जब आती है ना तो नहीं पड़ती उस पे, वो इतना लाइट, इतना पतला, इतना दुबला, बस उसका स्टेटमेंट इतना जादूगर है भैया. एंड ही इज मिस्टर स्माइल इनटू द सेंटर, प्लीज. हाँ, कोच बोलेगा ये. या
Good morning, everyone. What's
गुड
up?
मॉर्निंग.
Today I'll speak a very beautiful quote. It is, always remember, if you focus on the pain, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the pain, you will continue to suffer. But if you focus on the progress, you will continue to grow.
Statement. If you focus on pain, you will continue suffer. And if you focus on progress, you will continue grow. That's very good. You will continue to grow. That's great. You want to grow? Yes. Focus on progress. Thank you very much. All right. Have you stand there. All right. So next student, I know they will be maybe from boys or girls. I don't know, but I'm calling. She is also first time in front of camera. Okay. हम ही नहीं कह रहे फर्स्ट टाइम इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा, अंग्रेजी बोलने के लिए फर्स्ट टाइम इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा. एंड शी इज फ्रॉम कर्पूरी स्थान एंड हर नेम इज मिस तनु प्रिया, मतलब तनु सोनी. ऑलराइट.
Good morning, guys.
गुड मॉर्निंग. या
How are you?
या
I am absolutely fine.
हाउ इज दिस? इज फाइन.
Now I am going to talking about the value of focus. Focus is more important because it is the gateway of all the things: thinking, learning, memories, and decision making. Focus is determined by the level of get to success in your life.
राइट.
Successful people are there focus on mission.
Good.
Successful people are know the value of focus, know the importance of focus. Focus helps to
Stand
achieve
right
your
here. I'm
success
doing
faster.
the-
Focus
don't
helps
worry,
reach in
I'm
your
with you.
goals.
अगली बार.
When you bring your focus in your life, and you will reach in goals. And in
Focus, please.
and in the you will wasting on your time and energy on useless thing.
Yeah.
Focus helps achieve your success faster. Focus gives confidence. Focus gives achieve your goals faster.
अच्छा लग रहा है. Yeah.
Thank you for listening.
That's good. Don't worry. It happens, okay? Very beautiful. For the first time she was there in front of camera, right? कितना डर है भैया, मतलब किसी ने अपने भीड़ में जा खड़ा हुआ ऐसे करो, भागो भैया, यहाँ खड़े हो गए भाई, रिलैक्स्ड, मजा आता है, राइट? जब यहाँ खड़े रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं ना, मतलब अपनों के बीच में आकर के मजा आता है, यहाँ पर अकेले पड़ जाते हैं, राइट? राइट? बट लायन की तरह एटीट्यूड होगा ना तो अकेला ही जंगल में घूमेगा भाई, right? Because I'm the lion. I'm a lion. Okay, I'm calling now one boy. Okay, he is also brand new. ठीक है? All right. Yeah, he is brand new and he is also not in front of any camera. And he committed, I will be in front of camera only in SMB English, okay? And his name is, you know, and one more very beautiful story about him. He comes from Kari Chowk, you know? You know, Kari Chowk is my susral. Okay, so I'm calling Mr. Ajit, okay, in the center, and he is going to give you the best performance, okay? And
Good morning, all of you.
good morning.
How are you?
Be slightly slow, yeah. आराम से आराम वॉक कीजिए, हाँ.
Yeah, okay.
सेंटेंस के साथ वॉक करना है, राइट?
Now, I will speak something about communication skill.
राइट.
How to improve our communication skill? Firstly, we have become an active listener.
Okay.
When we listen careful, we share our feedback, we share our opinion. When we don't listen careful, we don't share our opinion, we
Yeah.
don't share our feedback.
Right.
Articulate your point of view.
Right.
Articulate your point of view. When we communicate to others, we communicate others with confidence. If you go to get a job, if you go to an interview to get a job, they will see firstly how do you communicate. They will not see your mark sheet. They will not see your marks.
इसको खड़े होने दो
marks.
यहाँ पे,
They
दीवार
will
के
see
पास।
firstly your communication skill. Just like how to
केरला-
sit, how to sit and how to you how your eyes contact.
Right.
They see that.
Okay, all right.
If your communication skill is good,
Keep it short.
they will hire on that time. If your communication skill is not good, they will fire on that time.
Right. Fire नहीं करने का, खत्म करने का जल्दी. Because everybody wants to
Thank you
speak.
for-
Thank you very much. एकदम short में रखने का, because everybody wants to come in the center. Okay, so I don't want to delay. I'm just calling next student. Obviously, she will be a girl, and she is Miss Suman. Right? Seriously, she is Suman, and Suman is coming into the center. Yes, Suman, please.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you? I am also perfectly fine. So I am talk about education. Education is very important in our life. Education is process gaining knowledge and skills. Education is the key to success. So education is very important in our life. Education is the most powerful weapon which can use to change the world.
All right. Okay.
Education give us facility and communication skills. So
Take
education is very important in our life. So thank you.
Well done, very well done. आपने वक्त पे खत्म किया बिल्कुल. You completed on time. Guys, please be faster because you know I cannot make the video length big क्योंकि ये shorts के ज़माने में बड़े वीडियो कौन देखता है? मूवी अगर वीडियो अच्छा हो, काम का वीडियो हो, एजुकेशन का वीडियो हो तो कौन देखता है? ठीक है? All right. वो देखता है जो अक्लमंद होता है. So viewers, you are very अक्लमंद, okay? So watch complete video, okay? Because I want to change the concept of teaching English in my area. All right? So I'm calling obviously from girls because girls numbers are more actually today. I don't know why because girls don't have work. लड़कियों को बस काम ही नहीं रहता, इसे क्लास आ जाती सब, यही मतलब न हुआ. Yeah, that's right. घर में मम्मी बोलेगी रोटी बनाओ, to go to class. मम्मी हम क्लास जा रहे हैं, right? You go to class. Hey, all right. So it's not like that. These girls want to learn. Okay, that's why I'm calling one more girl into the center, and she is again very new student. Okay, and she has just completed 1 week, you know, and she is. आवाज गूंज जाने चाहिए because she is.
Hello guys,
Yeah.
how are you? My topic is money.
Yeah.
So money is really an important role play in our life, but that we need to accept that money is not everything. Like you can enjoy and afford every material luxury of life, but that is short lived.
Yeah, just short live. Okay. सुनो भाई. Yeah.
Money can't beginning real happiness, power and peace, freedom. Like
थोड़ा हेल्प कर दीजिएगा, कैमरा पकड़ लीजिएगा.
but
Well done. Clap for her. Yeah. No problem. No problem. It was the first time in the center in front of the people. No problem. It's done. No problem. That's all. You want to speak something more?
Yeah.
Oh, I sub. Yeah, please give the camera. Give the camera.
to remain in to order to remain. So thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. कह दिया इसने भाई. Good. No, you've done very big job, right? Because of the first week when you came in the center. सेंटर में आना भी आसान नहीं होता. एक हफ्ते में आप सेंटर माइक. Thank you. She tried very well. Okay. इसको लास्ट में जाकर थूड़ देना अच्छे से, right? All right. Next student I'm calling. Obviously girls numbers are more. So now I'm calling a boy. Right? Yeah. So लड़के को बुलाने से पहले हम पहले ताली बजवाना चाहते हैं सारे दोस्तों के द्वारा, right? तो I'm calling Mr. चश्मिश in the center and he is. हम खुद को बुला रहे हैं भाई. I'm also Chashmish, don't worry, okay? Give me one
Guys.
minute. Good morning, good morning.
How are you? I'm fine, and you? I'm also perfectly fine. Today, I want to share one quote. That is, today is difficult.
Yeah?
Tomorrow is much more difficult. But day after tomorrow is beautiful. Most people die. Tomorrow is evening. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Great quote. किसी तरह से अपना काम पूरा किया, right? But viewers, if you want to look at, okay, and if you watch, you just watch in channel, he is a great speaker, but today he had other people actually, because a lot of students wants to come into the center. So now next again I'm calling a girl, and she is also the first time speaker. Okay, now she is Miss Nisha onto the center, right? Nisha, yeah. Try कर रहे हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है. Yeah. Good
How are
morning.
you? Yeah, I am also fine. So, my topic is education. Education is very important for our life.
Okay.
Education is very important for our world.
Like it.
So, not only men but women also have equal rights on education.
Okay. Okay.
Education is very important for the equal rights development of a country.
Right.
So, girl education is very important for development of a country.
Right. Right.
An education girl will be more concerned about hygiene and health.
Right. An educated girl is more concerned about hygiene and health
Women education.
and wealth also.
Women education is development of this world.
Right.
So,
Okay.
a statement for one: someone's opinions about you does not have to be
Your reality.
your reality.
That's good.
Yeah.
Excellent job. Well done. Very well done. Okay. डर हटा. बार बार सेंटर में आए, बार बार लोगों के सामने बोले, आपका डर हट जाएगा. Right. Next student, one more girl I want to call. Okay. And she is very tiny, but her voice is like powerful dynamite. Right. So she is Miss सना सना जरा आना आना प्लीज कम इन टू द सेंटर या है इनका आदत है राइट लो मैं डोंट वरी ठीक है ओके यस सर प्लीज टेक योर टाइम अच्छा देखती है मतलब कैसे स्पीक या
I'm also perfectly fine. Today, I talk about the English. English is very important for everyone.
last time
Without English, we cannot survive and in the other country.
इन द अदर कंट्री सीरियसली अपने देशों में नहीं कर सकते हैं सर्वाइव यार अपने कंट्री में भी सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते हैं गो टू साउथ इंडिया यू कैन नॉट सर्वाइव गो टू बंगाल पड़ोसी स्टेट ओके वहाँ पर लोग बोले बांग्ला बोलते हैं वहाँ का लोग वो बोलता है आमी इंग्लिश आमी हिंदी बुझते पारवे ना तो उस पर क्या करोगे बताओ आई विल आई स्पीक इंग्लिश ओके डू यू अंडरस्टैंड डू यू बुझते पारवे इंग्लिश राइट या
But you know English, you can speak any place and any people in front, so you don't shame feel in any person.
बुरा नहीं मानोगे बुरा मत लगाओ यार seriously good one don't talk please support this tiny girl okay yeah with a big round of applause huh? Everybody is supporting you don't worry quick
So English is very important for
एनर्जी आता क्लैप से
for
यार
everyone.
देखो इसकी अम्मी को बोलेंगे जैसे भूख लगे ताली बजा दिया करो खाना हो गया राइट या
English is a common language and
5 minutes.
and she learn easily.
ओके
You have you know English. You say in English to
अच्छे से पकड़ लो okay yeah clap yes everything is fine okay she will sing one more line yeah one more line एक line बस one line
to
yeah to look better you have to speak English right to look smarter you have to speak English right to look confident you have to speak English look at
you have English. You know English. You have confidence and you are very smart.
बोलू हम फोकस करेंगे प्रोग्राम राइट या
And in your house you say English. Your mother and father say my daughter is
Very,
saying English.
yeah.
And I am proud of you.
राइट ये सारा खेला इसलिए हो रहा है ना
So English is very important and you know English. People respect you. People don't judge you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
थैंक यू एकरे बोले छे देखन में छोट लगे आ घाव करे गंभीर या भैया बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर गई है इसे कहता छोटी मुंह बड़ी बड़ी बात right yeah so next time calling actually boys and just 2 boys are left that's why I'm calling girls all right so wait boys okay yeah I know you have good energy you will rock this stage so now next again I want to call okay from this side anyone wants to come raise your hands यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक में कोई आना चाहता है कोई नहीं आना चाहता लग रहा है सब एक दूसरे को देख रहा है देखिए यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक में कोई आना चाहता है या प्लीज मिस श्वेता ओके ऑल राइट श्वेता प्लीज होल्ड द माइक या देखो
Hello everyone.
मेहरबान
How
Yeah.
are you?
या
My topic is education.
कम से कम बोल नहीं सकते तो खड़े नहीं ढंग से
Education is
लगना
very
है नाम
important in
ताकत
our life.
हाँ.
Education process of gaining knowledge and success.
राइट
Education is key to success in improve our lifestyle.
राइट
Education gives us powerful to complete in a
Like
complex
it.
environment.
या
So education gives us attitude. education gives us power to complete in a complex environment, and education gives us powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Education is very important in our life. Education is not feeling of a fail, but lighting of a fire. Thank you so much for listening to me.
श्वेता जोन सुजान मतलब अपने झुंड में जाने का मतलब बड़ा शौक, भागो भागो नहीं. Are you fine in the center?
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah.
You're able to speak English now? कितना दिन हुआ पब्लिक को बताओ जरा. जोर से बोलो, लोग पता चलना चाहिए. 20 days, just 20 days and she started speaking in front of public, okay? हम एक और स्टूडेंट को बुलाना चाहेंगे इसके बाद. Give me the mic, right? Yeah, she's doing like that. Mic change कर दीजिए. आप जा सकते हैं अपने. One more student and she has completed just 1 month, okay? But she will try to speak in the center. And she is Miss Sakshi. Please clap for her.
Good morning, everyone.
Okay.
How are you?
खड़ी करने प्रॉब्लम है.
I'm also perfectly fine. Today my beautiful topic is education. Education is a very important for everyone.
I'm there, don't worry, I support you. Yeah,
There is a no age limited to take education.
right.
Without education, we cannot achieve success in your life.
In our life.
Our life.
Yeah, good, no problem.
Education gives attitude. Education gives power. Education gives personality.
Personality, right, yeah.
Education gives sense.
Sense. Good.
So education is a very important for
Everyone.
everyone. So thank you.
एजुकेशन के वजह से आप लोगों के पास सेंस है. तालियां बजाएं आप लोग. देगा. You have sense. You're educated, right? Okay, thank you ma'am. Very well done. Excellent job. Because it's not easy. It's not easy. डर होता है भाई. सेंटर में बोलना आसान नहीं होता. राइट लोगों के सामने वो भी इंग्लिश में बोलना भैया भैया बड़ा मुश्किल काम है भैया. लोग कहते हैं रात का बोलता है. लोग बोले रात का बोल के आगे दिखा दो इस सेंटर में. हालत नहीं खराब हो गया तो बोलना यार. रट के भी आप नहीं बोल सकते. राइट इट्स नॉट इजी. स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश और स्पीकिंग हिंदी, स्पीकिंग एनी लैंग्वेज, ओके, लोगों के सामने बोलना डर लगता है यार. उसी डर को हटाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. राइट सो आई एम कॉलिंग द नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, ओके, एंड दिस गाइस आर टेक लेस टाइम, बट कोशिश कीजिए 1 मिनट में खत्म करने का. राइट बिकॉज टाइम इज वेरी वेरी लिमिटेड. सो आई एम कॉलिंग फ्रॉम दैट साइड, ओके, दिस साइड. सो मिस तुलसी कुमारी इनटू द सेंटर, प्लीज कम. राइट.
So, good morning, everyone.
Sorry, you want to speak?
How are you all?
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also fine. Today, I would like to tell you one quote.
10 मिनट सपोर्ट कीजिए. वेदर भी अपने साथ है.
that is-
Don't worry. हाँ.
Past
10
is a
minutes,
waste paper. Present is a newspaper. And future is a question paper. So read and write carefully. Otherwise, your life will be a tissue paper.
कॉलिंग द न्यूएस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द क्लास. अभी सबसे लेटेस्ट स्टूडेंट जो अभी 2 दिन 4 दिन पहले ज्वाइन किया है. इसके बाद अभी तक कोई और ज्वाइन नहीं किया. बहुत दुख की बात है. राइट दैट्स व्हाट आई एम कॉलिंग मिस द क्वीन ऑफ चांदनी. आइए प्लीज इन द सेंटर. चांदनी प्लीज कम इन द सेंटर. ऑलराइट.
Good morning.
कोशिश कर.
My name is Chandni Kumari. How are you? I am also fine. English speak.
थोड़ा मूव करने का थोड़ा वॉक कीजिए. हाँ हल्का फुल्का. ठीक है. या
English language in important in our life. English
Wow,
is
that's
important daily use sentence.
Wow, good.
English in the third most speak in the world.
Spoken.
Spoken in the world. English is personality of confidence.
Okay.
English is a language connected with the social media.
Wow, good.
I also like to speak English myself.
Okay.
English language is still of personality confidence.
Right. Just cut. Very beautiful, excellent.
It is a nurseries. It is a nurseries connected with the social media. Thank you.
Yeah.
How are you? I am also fine.
Just walk in the center.
I
Yeah.
want to share one beautiful quote, that is, our life is determined by our attitude. Our life is determined by our attitude. Don't worry, my time is bad, but I will rise my life, my game. So keep your leg out of my life. So thank you.
टांग मत हराओ, इसका देसी भाषा में ना मेरे पे टांग मत हराओ बता रहे, निकल लो. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. You tried very beautifully.